everyone, it's Darlene here, and as you can tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my hair for my birthday. Today is my birthday. I am 33 years old today, so exciting. And we'll just get right into this. First, I've already sprayed this IGK Good Behavior in my hair, and so I'm just going to brush out my hair and start curling. As you can see, I part my hair and I just about halfway and pull it down, brush this out. I'm going to divide it in half, pull this part forward, and as you can see, I just do this and then I'll curl and then put back. Okay, so I'm using the Argan Heat, and I believe this, I don't know if it says what it is, not say. I don't even remember. I think it's like 1 inch. We'll say 1 inch, as you can see. I'm not gonna hold it, it's hot. Okay, so I like to curl away from my face. So I divide it into little pieces. It's actually kind of too thick. So something like that. I like to brush it out so it gets a really nice curl. And that's what they should look like. And I just flip it back. So I actually have no plans today other than go to church. 33 years old. I'm getting old. As my husband would say, I'm halfway to 66. Pleasant. And I usually hold it 8 to 12 seconds depending on how thick the section is. And so that's one side. And I like to let the curls set. So I just like leave them until I'm done with all my hair, and then I brush it all out. And every now and then I do curls, like do my hair where I alternate the curls, like some facing frontwards and some facing backwards. I just like the look of them all facing outwards more than I like alternating, if that makes any sense. It just looks more like put together. Like just the other day I bought a new shampoo, conditioner. I bought like quite a bit of hair care stuff, but I got the Joico purple shampoo, so I actually want to do a review on that soon. As you can see, my hair is very toned right now. I'm actually loving it, and it's making my hair feel so nice. So I'll actually do a video on that soon. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds cracky. I just got through getting better from sickness, which is why I didn't post last week, was because I was extremely sick. I was bedridden. See how pretty. And then I start my hair in another section, which I do that right there. Flip it down and reclip. Okay, it's so hot. It's because my hair is like slightly damp, so it's like steaming, so it's like super, super hot right now. It's like burning my hands. You can see like the steam coming off. I love doing my hair and stuff. What I love about when my hair is blonde, because it's slightly more damaged, it just does better. Like when I had my hair darker, it was too healthy and it wouldn't hold curls, and it was just like more of a hassle. I can do my hair today, and this hairstyle will last me like 3 days. All I have to do is keep adding dry shampoo and brushing it out, and the curls actually stay. So I love my hair when it's actually more damaged. And I use really good products. I mean, I still take care of it to where you can't even tell it's as damaged as it is. You can see, like, well, you can't really see it. Like, my hair is damaged, but it's not like the end of the world. I actually prefer it to be slightly damaged. Seems like, says no girl ever, but seriously, my hair just does so much better. As you can see, it's like, it's dry and stuff, but it's like not the end of the world. The ends are more damaged. And I do use heat protectant and all that good stuff. And what I like about the Good Behavior is it actually has keratin in it, so it's like a hair treatment, heat protectant, all in one. And I believe it retails for like, I think I paid like $39 for it. Maybe it was 31. I don't know, 30 something dollars. Yeah, it's a keratin like treatment in a can. 24-hour frizz control, 450 heat protection. Pretty awesome stuff. Tell you what. I actually recorded in my spare room, the guest room. I have a huge window in front of me, so this is like the best room to record in. So that is why I record in here. And that's why I wasn't recording for the longest time, because I really didn't like how the videos were coming out in my kitchen. But it was really, like, this room had a drum set right here. And so it was just, like, really, really hard to record. And then we'd got this bed put in here, and we put it right in front of the window because it was prettier that way. And I was like, you know what? I miss recording. So I rearranged the room. Makes the room look smaller, but hey. If I can record, that's all that matters. It's not like this room we ever really get guests. So it's all good. So I actually live in Tehachapi, California. Very, very close to where we've been having all the earthquakes. We actually had a really big one on 4th of July, and then on the 5th as well. The 5th was really big. But they're saying that we're supposed to be getting a bigger one, which is crazy. I live like 80 miles away from Ridgecrest, which is where they're having them all. But I am definitely preparing, just because I don't want anything to happen. So in my van right now, I have like water and extra change of clothes, like all that stuff that you would need in case of, like, in case we have a really big one that actually jacks up our house or something. Okay, it's getting there. Got like 2 more curls. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off, unplug it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so when I'm letting my curls set, I go ahead and go in with a straightener. I'm just using my tea straightener. You can see, and I like to straighten just the top pieces just to kind of make everything seamless. I also have like a bald spot right here from when I was a little girl. My sister, God bless her, hit me in the head with the rock. We were walking home from school and she was like trying to show off in front of one of her friends, and apparently I was being super annoying, so she hit me in the head with a rock and busted my head open, and I still have a scar which is why hair won't grow right here. She got in trouble. Ooh, she got in trouble. Yeah, you know it was you, Crystal. Causing my bald spot. Making me bald. It's okay. I forgive you. And then I went and done the same thing to my sister, Terry. In my defense, she was torturing like those huge frogs that are in the pond. They were being mean to it. And I told them to stop. And they were still torturing it. So I grabbed a rock and threw it at my sister. And hit her in the head. And boy, did I get in trouble. I got in big trouble. But I deserved it. I shouldn't have hit my sister. But she shouldn't have been torturing a frog. I don't do stuff like that. I don't put up with it. Anyways, okay. So I got that all straightened. So I'm going to be right back. If you're a mother, you know why I keep unplugging it. It's like, because if I don't unplug it, one of my kids will walk in here and grab it and burn their hands off. Okay, so I'm going to brush out my hair. So you can see, brush out all those curls. So you look like a crazy afro. Then I'm gonna get my Cheese Silk Infusion. Put about a dime size. Rub it into my hands, heat it up. I'm gonna curl it, like run it through my curls. And this is what just makes your hair look super shiny. Like I just got it done at the salon. And really, it was out of my bedroom, my spare room. Okay, and now I'm going to get some hairspray, and I just use the Tresemme, the 5-hold hairspray. Good old Tresemme. I don't know why I do that. Every time I go to take off the lid, it like flies. We are just going to spray this in place. Okay, so the goal is to at least spray half the can in my hair. Okay. And after you sprayed half the can of hairspray in your hair, then I'm going to get this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Okay. Sorry. So you want to shake the can really good. Then part it. Let it sit. Give me some volume. Put it through here. Shake, shake, shake. Volume. Let's see if you can see a difference. Not really, because my hair already has a ton of volume, but we'll pretend that it's working. Yeah. My mom actually said that she uses this when her hair's still wet. And I just figured, like, if your hair's wet, that it's just like it's not gonna work the same because it's gonna wet the powder that's in this. But she said it works really well, so I forgot to actually try it that way today. But next time I'm gonna have to try it with my hair wet. It just kind of makes your hair feel grimy. But she uses it in her hair and then she blows dry it with it in her hair. So I'm gonna have to try that. See, it really didn't do much. But I think it's because my hair is already so voluminous. Like, what's it supposed to do? Okay, let me spray some back here. And yeah, so that completes the hair look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, God bless.